Greetings students. Today we are going to learn about one of USA's leading manufacturing company, Boston Scientific Corporation. Let us know this company in a much better way. The Boston Scientific Corporation, abbreviated BSC, is a worldwide developer, manufacturer and marketer of medical devices whose products are used in a range of interventional medical specialties including interventional radiology, interventional cardiology, peripheral interventions, neuromodulation, neurovascular intervention, electrophysiology, cardiac surgery, vascular surgery, endoscopy, oncology, urology, and gynecology. Boston Scientific is well known for the development of the Texas stent, a drug-eluting stent which is used to open clot arteries. Boston Scientific main competitors are Johnson & Johnson, Medtronic, and St. Jude Medical. On April 21, 2006, the company acquired longtime competitor Guardant for $27.2 billion. The former Guardant was split between BSC and Abbott Laboratories. Navios Medical was formed in February 2008 from Boston Scientific Fluid Management and Vascular Access business units. In October 2010, the company was fined $6 lakhs by the U.S. Department of Justice for paying a U.S. Army doctor to use the devices and recommend them to others. In 1978, John Abel and Pete Nicholas were both looking for solution. Abel wanted an investor for Meditech, a company he joined in 1969 that was pioneering the field of interventional medicine, who would see his vision to create new markets for less invasive medicine and spread the word about Meditech's products. Nicholas wanted to build an enterprise. The result was Boston Scientific, founded on June 29, 1979 as a holding company to purchase Meditech. The 1970s served as the foundation for many of the ideas and practices that eventually came to categorize Boston Scientific. During Boston Scientific's inaugural decade, President and CEO Pete Nicholas focused on growth. In the early 1980s, Boston Scientific acquired Kimray Medical Associates (KMA), which with products such as the thermal dilution catheter and cardiac output computers, helped establish Boston Scientific in the cardiology field. By 1997, Boston Scientific had acquired 9 additional companies, boasting $1.8 billion in revenue and 9,000 employees by the end of the year. The employee asserted itself as a global force in coronary angioplasty and a leader in non-vascular therapy. The 2004 launch of the Texas Express 2TM paclitaxel-eluting coronary stent system in the United States was one of the largest and most successful product launches in industry history. It demonstrated Boston Scientific continued leadership in innovation, clinical science, sales operations, supply chain, and launch planning. A steadfast focus on innovation, market expansion, and organizational efficiency makes this a pivotal time in the evolution of Boston Scientific. Boston Scientific is focused on products that fulfill unmet physician or patient needs, have growth potential supported by demographic or disease prevalence trends, and align well with technology strength and markets they serve. Mike Mahoney became President and Chief Executive Officer on November 1, 2012. Mahoney is one of the most inspiring leaders in the medieval technology industry, having established a 24-year track record building market-leading global businesses in medical devices, capital equipment, and healthcare IT service at best-in-class companies. In 1978, Meditech developed a peripheral angioplasty balloon using polyethylene. Within 2 years, Boston Scientific peripheral polyethylene dilatation balloon was the industry standard. The company combined technology with physician input in developing its adult aortic valvuloplasty balloon, as well as a technique and patient selection criteria. Cited by the FDA as one of the 9 most significant regulatory approvals of 1990, it was the company's first major cardiology product. The company's hugely successful Texas Express 2TM paclitaxel-eluting coronary stent system, launched in the United States in 2004, highlights the company's ability to not only produce industry-leading products but also build on those products. As Boston Scientific continues to develop new products such as pulse generation and pain management system, it is also refining its approach to innovation to ensure its products are targeted directly at patient and physician needs. Boston Scientific is also utilizing numerous partnerships to extend its innovation capabilities. Beginning in 2003, Boston Scientific and Johnson & Johnson were involved in a series of litigation involving patents covering heart stent medical devices. Both parties claimed that the other had infringed upon their patents. The litigation was settled once Boston Scientific agreed to pay $716 million to Johnson & Johnson in September 2009 and an additional $1.73 billion in February 2010. On November 3, 1998, Boston Scientific restated its financial result for 1997 as well as its quarterly result for the first 3 quarters of 1998 due to the occurrence of business irregularities in the operation of its Japanese subsidiary. So students, we went through the company's history to its present market scenario. Hope you must have got useful information about the company. Have a good day.